With enough severe weather to go around, the last 200 hours of April are promising to go out with a bang. Let's go. Welcome back, my friends. It is April 21st, 2021, 5:16 p.m. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. We need to talk about the Southeast and the upcoming situation that is already being prepared for. And by prepare, I don't just mean the next couple days, which are going to be pretty severe in themselves, but as we said before, the last 200 hours, which will then bring us into May, which is known for even stronger storms. So between March and May, we have our peak severe thunderstorm / tornado season. And then, of course, before we know it, we are already upon hurricane season. So we have no breaks. From right now, this period forward, we are on very strict severe weather watches. Now we need to talk about what's going on currently, and that is a situation with severe weather in the Northeast, which is kind of tapering off right now. And the reason we're seeing that also with the cold in the Northeast is exactly this very defined line of temperature differences we have. The jet stream cutoff is very much causing this situation, and we can see a 20-degree difference just here in Virginia and the border of West Virginia. So we can see directly why these storms are brewing here. The mix of cold and warm is very defined in a situation like this, with the wintry air to the west of the coastline, and then this slight piece of coastline right here that's still within the warm flow of air coming up from the Gulf is the only area getting those storms, soon to be overtaken by wintry weather. It's very easy to get confused as to why some areas are getting severe thunderstorm weather, and then about 10 miles away, give or take, is a 20-degree difference and a wintry type mix situation. That is directly because of our jet stream, and you can kind of see that front end barrier right here as the edge of the precipitation and moisture is now just exiting the Northeast. As we said before, those storms just leaving now. Now we'll talk about a few important things, and that is the time frame of this first wave of severe weather. So we're down here on Friday. So Friday is going to be the beginning when the moisture that comes in from the west. You notice this snow here on the west? Yes, that is going to be another situation over the next 2 days where we see a moisture system moving into the west, hitting the Sierra Nevadas pretty hard. You're going to see some heavy accumulation of snow there, which is pretty normal for this time of year. But as you can see, this system makes its way in, dumping snow a little farther than we'd like to see. But regardless, down to the middle south, Texas, and then the Gulf states is where our moisture is going to begin dipping down. And then as we move forward from Friday, we'll see right away that the severe weather is going to start popping up more so on the eastern half of Texas, which is a large area, keep in mind, and that brings in a lot of Oklahoma. Right off the bat, when I think of Oklahoma and tornado season, I think of the Moore, Oklahoma tornado, which was back on, I believe, May 20th of 2011, maybe 2013, give or take. I got to look that up. But we are dealing with a straight up tornado alley situation. This is peak season, and this is exactly what happens. So as we move into Saturday, we're already dealing with a full 24 hours of severe weather, more than likely large hail and tornadoes, straight line winds all over Texas, Oklahoma. And then as we move in towards Louisiana and Arkansas, things really start to fire up and get even more serious. This is also why we have these outlook maps and energy maps that kind of go around an entire area, because you don't really know what specific areas are going to get hit until these storm cells are on the ground. We're now looking at Saturday, and you can see right in the dead center is Jackson, Mississippi, a very big hot spot for this severe weather. The closer we get to the Gulf, the more severe the weather is going to be. That warm air coming right off the water, and then our convective energy, all that put together is going to twist this storm up, and it's going to eventually beginning its flow up to the Carolinas. So this is just one situation from Friday through Saturday. And of course, we don't want to look too far past about 5 days, but at this point, it doesn't really matter. We can see every single day going past Saturday into the month of May is bringing some sort of very severe weather, specifically Tornado Alley getting hit hard by those dark reds and purples, and you truly don't see an end to it. You see rips all the way up to the Northeast, covering the entire Southeast and the Gulf states, and that is why, my friends, we have a Tornado Alley and a peak thunderstorm season, all of the above. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. I have a little message for you at the end. Everyone, please be safe. Shout out to Canada. We'll be back tomorrow morning with another update. Please stay safe, and I'll see you right back here for the next video. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all, and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.